Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today we are coming out with new releases. Well, the new release video for this Wednesday, but you know, it is Monday, it is new release day, so let's go ahead and get into the new releases for this week. Let's go ahead and start at the top. It is a fun week that we have. I think last week was, actually, let me get into that. I think last week was also 3 exclusive arts, right? And maybe even like a 4. Honestly, I don't even know. All weeks blend together. But I did want to show you the D&D kit because I didn't have the physical with me last week. So I just want to show it to you. So I do have the mini and ultimate here, but I'll just go ahead and show you the ultimate kit. I'm going to be using this for the Dungeons & Dragons movie, which is coming out at the end of this month. And I am going to be using it with Gold Hollow. I am pulling in the, well, it's coming out this week or next week. The foil bundle that is going to be coming out next week, I believe I'm going to be putting with this, as well as some Gold Hollow items from Palana Hannah. She's also coming out with some new items for Chris's birthday sale that I'm going to be using with it as well. And I am so very excited to do so. And I just think that this with Gold Hollow is going to be so pretty. But I think it would also be really nice with matte bronze, matte silver, a combination of the both. Burgundy, navy, gold, silver. Those options would be my top ones. And I just think it is the cutest dang kit to mark the occasion. Or if you just play D&D and you're not going to go see the movie, I think it would be so cute to have. Or you just like fantasy things because it's not overly D&D heavy for the most part, besides this one. So that is the kit, and then let me show you the add-on options. So there's the label, there is the label 2, which is like a brown color, there is the functional, ombre, doodle, and fashion, and that is the D&D kit. That is already in shop, so if you want to pick it up, add it to your cart for later. It's there for you. I just didn't have it last week, but I wanted to show you this week. The first new release is the character of the week, and this is number 64, and this is Guy Fieri in his Flames shirt. This was requested by Hannah, but honestly, I could use that a lot for any Guy show. What is that noise? Oh, FedEx is here. But also, we went to Chicken Guy in Disney, and I'm so excited to use that to mark Chicken Guy, which is actually really good. Then we have the new Scribbler for the week. This is number 33, and we have 1 through 6, and they are wearing the cutest pair of pink headphones, and I am obsessed with them. Perfect for listening to audiobooks, listening to music, etc., etc., etc. Then we have the color of the week, which is this bright yellow, and this is perfect for spring, summertime, or any spread that has a really bright yellow. For some reason, this kind of yellow reminds me of Biggest Fan. I think that had a yellow in it. Maybe I'm imagining that, but I feel like it did. So there is the normal 12 doodle sheets. You can get them individually, or if you click the buy all doodle bundle, you will get all 12 sheets of doodles. And then there is the option, you want to pick up any more extra a la carte. And there's also at the very bottom options if you want to pick up the Scribbler that you like the most in the normal 6 options. So cute. Love those. Y'all have been loving on those. I was like, I don't know, like we'll try it out for a couple weeks. No, y'all loved them. Y'all have been picking them up like crazy. So we are going to be keeping them for the time being. Then we have a new Underlay Bougie box. It's hard to see this one because I did a micro grid. It's a teeny tiny grid. I feel like a lot of my like Underlay Bougie box fun patterns are very teeny tiny. So perfect for layering or using on their own. So this is grid, and it comes in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, and this one comes in focus black. Love it, love it, love it. I think this would be great on its own, or you could do some layering with some thicker, bigger designs, and I think that'd be really, really fun as well. So those will be available Wednesday as well. Then we will have a foil bundle. This is overstock, and I went ahead and put this up as early as possible. Overstock of the March mystery foil, and that is the Lavender Hollow Butterflies. I knew a lot of y'all would be wanting to get your hands on extras of these. So this is the butterflies that was in the March mystery, the Lavender Hollow. So you have the 6 full boxes and headers on this page. You do get 2 pages of those. You do get the butterfly underlays, which will be coming to the shop in more foils. So stay tuned for that. Then you will also get the icons and scripts. This icons page is updated, and these newer icons will be coming to the shop, I think, next week? Question mark. And then the bottom washi deco date numbers and fancy header page. And this is in Lavender Hollow. Whenever there's a new foil bundle added to new releases, it is on a special pricing, $9.99 versus $13.95, question mark, something like that, from Wednesday to Sunday. So definitely pick it up then to save a couple of bucks. And that is Overstock of March Mystery. Then moving on to kits this week, let's go through the reformat. First, this was December Mystery. I mentioned in a video recently that I've been trying to get through some reformats. I feel like for a while there, I was pretty on top of it. I feel like there wasn't as much art being released, or I wasn't just getting as much in. This was December of last year. I don't know if I mentioned exclusive art. And I was able to do a lot more reformats, but I feel like the art has been so plentiful that I just haven't had time to bust them out. So I have been prioritizing it more because I have been getting a lot of messages about when is X mystery being reformatted, specifically mysteries, because it used to, like, if it's December, I would have December mystery from last year reformatted and released that month, and I just have not been as on top of it. So I'm trying to get some of those backlog months, because again, this should have been released probably in December of last year, done for y'all. So December, which is now called Refresh, that has the option of the label sampler. There is the label 2, which is this really pretty blue. There is Fashion 1 along with Fashion 2. And then there is Ombre, Functional, and Doodle, if you want to add any of those on to your ultimate or mini kits. Then let's get into the new art, and I'm so excited for both of these, but I'm going to show you this one first because this was requested by Jessica J. Plans. She's going to Greece this year, and we did a Greece kit a long time ago, but I was like, yes, let's do a new Greece kit, and I think this turned out perfect. Again, all of the kits this week are exclusive art, and I am obsessed with every single one of them. I love the colors in this. I didn't say, I'm pretty sure that this one either came, I don't know if it came with Silver Hollow or Lavender Hollow, because I feel like all of those would be the right answer, but I feel like you could also do gold and Champagne Lights and Sparkly Hollow, silver and Sparkly Hollow, because there is like the gold, but then I feel like these are also cool toned colors. But I feel like you could also do a lilac, you could do a navy, you could do a matte silver, you could do a regular silver. It's another one that there's not a lot of bad options for it. This one, on the other hand, I would probably do silver. I think silver and Sparkly Hollow would be really pretty, or a hot pink, or a blue, or a light blue like ice that was just released last week would be really nice with this as well. I don't think I have it anywhere near me to show you, but it would look really nice with it. Or just like a lighter pink or a matte bronze, matte silver would be really pretty with this as well. Again, lots and lots and lots of options. These colors are fantastic for spring, summer, and even kind of almost like an end of summer vibe. I love this with the boat in the background. Just so many pretty blues, and the pink is just everything. Love it. Beautiful, gorgeous. Freebie in the Ultimate Mini is a bunch of food, which is making me very hungry right now. And right now I am hungry for Brussels sprouts. If you are hungry right now, what are you hungry for? I've been on a Brussels sprouts kick, and all I want to consume is Brussels sprouts. So that is the Ultimate. Also does come in a mini kit. And then let's go through the add-on options. So there is the label sampler. There is the label 2. There is different FAMs. There's FAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as well as Doodle, Ombre, and Functional. And that is everything for the Grease kit. Again, exclusive art, super beautiful. Love these colors. Let me know what foil you would use with this one down in the comments. And last but certainly not least, I forgot that I needed to get this one out to y'all. Totally forgot. But then I remembered, and I was like, well, let's get it out now. But thankfully, the movie is coming out, but also it's just a theme that is timeless in my opinion. And it is Mario, which I am not going to be using this for the movie. I am going to be using this for Bennett's birthday because he wants a Mario themed birthday. So in case you were wondering, what is Bennett's exclusive art going to be this year? Here we are. It was a duo, like was able to do both for the movie and for Bennett's all in one. And yes, he already decided his birthday theme actually whenever he was about 4.5 for his 6th birthday. And he is not one to change his mind. He already has his Halloween costume picked out. And I'm sure that he will continue telling me about it every week until Halloween. So this is Mario. So cute, more so based on the new movie, but it still gives the classic vibes, and it is, let me just zoom you in a little bit, so stinking cute. I think this would be so fun with so many different foils. Okay, hear me out. I feel like you could do silver, you could do gold, you could do hollow, you could do sparkly hollow, but you could also, I'm not going to show you specifically like patterns that I'm talking about, but you could do like a sparkly red. You could do even like an orange, like a, let me see, I guess like a copper, because there's the orange in there. You could do a green. You could do a blue. You could do a, where's what I'm thinking? You could do black, I think, if you wanted to. You could do the red and the blue mixed with other colors in the background. Have you seen these? Red and blue mix. But I think because there's no better time than to use rainbow foil. So I'm thinking it's going to be a rainbow moment. Rainbow. This is the mixed metal of rainbow and sparkly rainbow, but you can see in the tones that I think that this is going to be a winner. This is the like normal rainbow I use. So if you have any of the rainbow, the sparkly or not, they're like kind of similar tones, but I think rainbow with this is going to be so perfect, so fun. But I think second choice, if you're like, Andrea, okay, what's the second choice? I don't want to use rainbow. I think the red and the blue foil bundle, I don't think this is sold out. It would be really cool with this as well. And then maybe pull in silver for extra items. I think that'd be really fun if you weren't like crazy about the rainbow. But I personally, whenever there is an opportunity to use rainbow foil, you can bet your bottom dollar that I will be using rainbow foil. So I know Hannah has a bunch of Mario stuff in her shop, and I will be getting a bunch of that in her rainbow to match. I just think it's going to be such a fun kit with the rainbow. It's just going to be like a rainbow explosion. There wasn't a lot beyond the characters, so I put a bunch of rainbow stars on there for deco as well. I love these patterns. I think they're so cute. I wanted to do this. This was in one of the trailers, but it had like all of the some of the kingdoms on here. And I just thought that that was super cute with all the toads around it. Are they all called toads, or is it just toad that's a toad? And then there's like a hierarchy of like what toad is. Let me know in the comments down below. Perfect for a quote. And then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the tall box of Mario on the Rainbow Road, which I just think is so cute. Mario is actually one of the first video games I ever played as a kid, and I don't really know a lot about video games besides it was like a gray controller that had like 4 buttons and 2 buttons, maybe. That's what I played it on. And then I also played it on my Game Boy Advance. It was one of the few games I liked. I actually had a Harry Potter game on Game Boy Advance, and it was horrible. It was really hard and unable to do it, but I love Mario. Then let's go into the add-on options. So you have the label, label 2, label 3, and then you have the functional, the ombre, and then I did something different with the doodle, and you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments down below. But I did it rainbow because I was like, oh, like I don't know, blah, blah, blah. But I just thought doing the red to the purple gradient was kind of fun. Let me know what you think in the comments down below because there were so many colors. I think it looks really cute. So that is everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. I am so excited to put all of these kits to use and to also see how you use them. So always make sure that you're tagging me on Instagram. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I love that Instagram now like sends me a message when somebody tags me. I personally love that feature, and I love when y'all tag me and it comes up as a little message and I can see what y'all have been up to, planning with, choosing as foil combos. It's my favorite, but that's everything for this week. I hope you like everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, everything will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to y'all at my next one. Bye.